Hey, beautiful children of God. All right, so here's what we did this week. We have ran a free test period for 2 weeks, and we still got 1 week left. So here all the way to the end because I'm going to allow another 25 people to first come, first serve. So those who hear me out, you're going to be able to join this free service. You don't have to pay for anything, no credit cards on file, nothing at all. We're just giving away these trades just to see if people will like them and see if it's going to be profitable for them. And I made this announcement and I invited 100 people. And within the first hour, we had 100 people. So now I'm going to open it up for another 50 people. Okay. 50 people. Now I said 25, I'm going to let 50 people in. Okay. Because it's free. And I really want your 2025 to start off well. So let's take a look at what happened. What we're doing is, of course, on the copier side, we have the US 30, we have gold, which I'm going to show you some results on gold as well this week. We have the Forex market, which there's a lot of trades that won, but a lot of them are just the markets are consolidating and jumping back and forth. So we got to wait for that to happen. Then they'll drop and we'll make big profits like we normally do. But in the meantime, this is also another viable option for us because, again, the good news is what you want to do is when one market is not acting favorably or you have to simply wait because it's consolidating, nothing you can do but wait for the consolidation to break out. In the meantime, you can still make profits from another place. Like I keep telling you guys, I used to be heavy into real estate. And so the hardest part of doing real estate is when you only have 1 to 2 tenants, because if those tenants don't pay their rent, it's really tough for you to make a profit. And if one of them fail to pay rent, guess what? You got to pay to cover that house note. But if you have 100 tenants and only 2 of them are not paying rent, you can see how easy it is to still remain profitable even if 2 tenants are not paying the rent. So what we're trying to do for you guys is create all these different doors of rent. I call it digital real estate now, because you no longer have to rent the property out. We're actually just making it off the markets. And so we have the US 30, which is rental property. We have the Forex market, which is rental property. We have the gold trade copier, which is rental property. And now we're introducing the oil and silver markets, which is another form of real estate properties. And then we have a couple of others that's going to be coming down the line as well. So hang tight with us because, again, we're trying to really kick this 2025 off for everyone so that everyone can pass these profit room challenges and be very, very happy and profitable with us. So with this, as you can see, we had 10 trades. All of them were 100% wins, no losses, for 696 pips for this week. And so that's that. All the trial members should be very, very happy because they paid absolutely nothing. You do not have to pay for this. The way you're going to get in, let me go ahead and give this to you now. Actually, hold on. If you're the 50 people, you can wait 1 more minute. Let me pause this and let me show you what happened with the gold trade as well. Okay, so right here, as you can see, the week totaled out. And again, it depends on what lot size you use, but the week totaled out, and there's more trades. I just couldn't get everything into the screenshot. But bottom line is we ended the week with the wins and losses. As you can see, the losses were small. And that was realistically, I started bumping up my lot sizes. And so we have one that was 180 loss. But other than that, the rest started making really, really nice profits. And so you can see the week ended with a $1,000. 1,032 from Golden Boy. So thank you, Golden Boy, for that. And again, the US 30, we're waiting for the NAS, the US 30, which is starting to drop. So that'll be recovering and getting us nice profits going into next week. And then, of course, like I said, the markets and the Forex market is consolidating. So that's going to bring us big profits as soon as the major drops happen. It's just that President Trump did a lot of announcements this week and a lot of executive orders. And when he did that, it ended up causing all these markets to spike and go all over the place. So, just got to wait for the market to calm down and get back in rhythm. However, again, this is exactly why it is important for us to have other forms of real estate so that when one market is not and we have to wait for it to calm down, guess what? We don't really care because we already have a set of other rental properties. Okay, so here's the deal. For those who want to, let me do this for you guys. Give me a second. Let me pull this up for you. Okay. All right. Super easy. Copycat.com. All right. Let me pull this up for you guys and see if this information will help you. And then, like I said, I'll bring in another 50. I'll let you guys come on in. Again, you don't have to pay for it anyway. It's free. It's totally free, 100% free to sign up for the silver and oil markets. And you'll get 1 week left because you should have been in the first 100. You would have got the full 2 weeks, but it's only 100 left. So basically, that's that. Now, for those who want to join right away with the other services, the US 30, the Forex, or the gold trade copier, you can do that by going right here to our website, superezforex.com. I'm sorry, supereasycopycat.com, supereasycopycat.com. And we get a lot of questions. Hey, how does the copier work? And we got a short little video right here where you'll see plainly where me clicking on this right here, this is me trading on my platform. And this will be yours where you have nothing on your charts other than the copier. And the moment I place a trade here, it pops up over here. When I close my trade here, it closes out for you. So we have a little short video to show you exactly how the copier works. And it's really easy to install. We got tutorial videos. So what you're going to do once you join and you select whatever one you want to subscribe to, you're going to come right back and click on this login tab. And when you click on the login tab, it's going to change this from saying login. It's going to switch to say tutorial and download. Okay, you're going to click on that and just go through the tutorial videos. They're all very short. And then you'll see the download button to download the software, install it, and you're good to go. Okay, just follow the steps. Okay, now here's the good news though. Again, you don't have to pay for anything. What I'm going to do is give 50 people, because you were patient, and let me pull up this email address. I'm going to type it on screen for you guys so you guys can see it very, very plainly. All right, here we go. Give me a second. All right, there we go. All right, so here's what you're going to do. We're going to go to Super Easy Simplicity at gmail.com. All right, that's all you got to do. Just shoot an email. And let me see if I can, the font. I want to make it bigger so you guys can really see it. Stop playing with your boy. All right, let's do this. And let's make this bigger so you guys can really see it. Oh, there you go. Huge. There you go. All right, now you guys can see it. Now, what are you going to send to the license department? Number one, your name, full name. Or let me put it like this. First and last name. And number two, your broker account number. Broker or brokers / because you get up to 2 accounts. Account number. Oh, tripping. For 2 accounts. I put 32. Y'all know I'm tripping. 2 accounts. All right, and let me move my head over here. There we go. All right, that's all you got to do. So you're going to send an email to supereasysimplicity@gmail.com, and you're just going to include your first and last name, and then you're just going to include your broker account or account numbers because you get up to 2. And the question is, can you use it on live or demo or live? Yeah, that's up to you. I don't really care what you do with it. Again, it's free. It's totally free for a whole week. No charge, no nothing. Just like my classes, I have never charged for my classes. Every week I'm there helping people all across the globe who answer questions. We get hundreds of people who watches my classes after the live recording. So it's all free. It's free, okay? But we will be launching the service if it's successful and the people, we get good feedback at the end of this week, then we're going to be launching it as a paid subscribed service so that you guys can, have us trade on your behalf. And the good news is we'll be trading on your behalf. So guess what? Don't look at it. Just take your trades, set the trade copier up and check it maybe once a week, once every 2 weeks. It's literally all you have to do. Okay. We'll be handling all the trades, or better yet, my team will, because I'm working on other projects as well. The MT5 indicators that I promise you guys, I'm still working on that behind the scenes. So I usually leave most of the trading to my team, but they've been doing a fabulous job. I post Sunday videos every week showing results and stuff like that. So again, just join the family, man. We'll be happy to have you. But for this trial period for the oil and silver, just go send that email. Okay. But again, if you want to have the copycat now for the Forex copier, the US 30 or the gold, again, go to our website and you'll be able to find that information, which is supereasycopycat.com. And then once you feel comfortable, you'll click right here on join and select whichever package you want. And you have instant access. So again, once you get done signing up, click on this login tab, and then this will actually magically change and it will say tutorial and download. So you go to the tutorial and download button, click on it, and just go through the tutorial videos, and you'll be ready to go by Monday, or Sunday rather, okay? Because we start trading again on Sunday. All right, you guys, hopefully this video was a blessing to you. I'll look forward to your comments. Also, I think I'm going to start doing a couple of video series on this economy. There's a lot going on. People have a lot of questions, such as, hey, all these tariffs that's going out to these countries, isn't that going to inflate our prices or cause inflation to go up? The tax cuts, are they really for the wealthy, or how do we benefit with these Trump tax cuts? Also, one that's going to be big for me that I really want to do is on these sanctuary cities. You know, you got ICE going out trying to remove a lot of dangerous people out of the country, but a lot of the sanctuary cities are more about the catch and release program, which is we catch the criminals, we put them in jail, and then we release them on the streets, which in my personal, well, let me say my opinion until I do that video, because I got strong opinions about that. And so we'll go from there. Okay. So I think I'm going to start doing some more videos like that to kind of bring you guys up to speed on, because there's so much economic stuff happening that affects our trades in the market, and people don't correlate the two, how they actually work hand in hand. And so I think I'm going to do a couple of videos on that. If you guys are okay with that, leave a comment below, send me an email, let me know what you think. But either way it goes, in the meantime, I will be doing my Sunday video with the news and the charts for next week. So enjoy your weekend.